Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Apple user, you know how convenient it is to have your iMessages sync across your iPhone and iPad. But sometimes, that convenience turns into a hassle. Maybe you want more privacy, or you're sharing devices with family. In this video, we'll walk you through how to unlink your iPad and iPhone text messages in 2025. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes, and by the end, you'll have full control over your messaging setup. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure both your iPhone and iPad are updated to the latest iOS version. Apple often tweaks settings with each update, so you're good to go for 2025. Start on your iPhone, as it's usually the primary device for messages. Open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Messages. Here, you'll see an option for iMessage. Toggle it off if you want to completely stop syncing. But wait, there's more. If you only want to unlink specific devices, look for Send and Receive, and remove your iPad from the list. This step ensures that any new messages won't appear on your iPad. Now, switch over to your iPad. Go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down to iCloud, and select Manage Account Storage, or directly go to Messages, if available. In the Messages section, you might need to sign out of iMessage entirely. Just hit Sign Out and confirm. This will prevent your iPad from receiving texts linked to your iPhone. Pro tip: if you're using iCloud for backups, this won't affect your other data, but double check to be safe. Once you've done that on both devices, test it out by sending a message from your iPhone and checking if it shows up on your iPad. If everything's unlinked correctly, you're all set. Remember, this might reset some message threads, so back up important conversations first. In 2025, Apple has made these settings even more user-friendly, so it's easier than ever. There you have it. Your iPad and iPhone are now independent when it comes to texts. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.